In this video, I'm going to show you how to import contacts into Klaviyo. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of your screen and scroll down the menu until you see Audience. Click on it once and it will expand to show more options. Now click on Lists and Segments. This page will display all your existing lists and segments. If you want, you can create a new list by clicking on Create New at the top right corner, or you can select an existing one. Once inside the list where you want to add your contacts, click on Upload Contacts. Now you'll see options for how to bring in your data. If you already have a CSV file with your contacts, you can upload it directly here. Otherwise, if your contacts are in an Excel sheet or a simple text list, click on Switch to Copy and Paste CSV. A large box will appear where you can paste your data. Open your file, select the data, copy it, and then paste it into this box. After pasting, click Next at the top right. Klaviyo will show you the fields it detected. For most imports, this will be just the emails, so confirm that the field type is set to email. Click Next again. You'll then be asked whether these contacts have already subscribed to you. If you select Yes, they'll be marked as subscribed in Klaviyo. If you pick No, they'll remain as pending. Choose the appropriate option. Here we'll go with Yes, and then click Import. After waiting a few moments, your records will be processed. You'll then see a confirmation and can click on View Contacts to see all your newly imported profiles inside your list. That's how simple it is to import contacts into Klaviyo.